which means that Frank Gore will be Buffalo's ground hope against the Bengals. Damian Williams is out for the Chiefs. Quinnen Williams and C.J. Mosley doubtful for the Jets. And Jimmy Graham, though questionable, looked good at practice today, according to Matt LaFleur. That Damian Williams injury, an interesting one for this matchup. The best game of the week. Chiefs-Ravens at Arrowhead, the #1 pass offense in Kansas City facing the #1 scoring, total, and rushing offense from Baltimore.
We know that Pat Mahomes is a special player. He makes a lot of stuff happen, throwing all kind of dimes off the back foot, left hand, you know. We know he's a special player, special talent, but we have a great defense. I believe in our defense. I believe they'll do enough to, you know, slow that offense down so we can take advantage of our opportunities on offense, man. We're excited about this challenge of going into Arrowhead. Their home opener. We know it'll be loud. We know it'll be crazy, but
things this season. A perfect pocket passer in week 1, a rushing machine in week 2. He outrushed the Cardinals by 100 yards by himself without sacrificing anything through the air. Which Lamar Jackson will we see Sunday, MJD?
I think you're going to see week 2. I think you're going to see the Lamar Jackson that's able to throw the ball in the air when need be and also be able to utilize his legs. Again, it's less about the Baltimore Ravens and more about the Kansas City Chiefs defense, right? Lamar Jackson presents too many different problems for your defense. First of all, you have to play 11-on-11 football, right? So you have to account for him as a quarterback when he runs. Secondly, this throw here is the throw of the year. Patrick Mahomes made some throws. That was with the game on the line in order to take the Cardinals out of the game. He drops a dime to Hollywood Brown. He is playing at such a high level. I don't know. I'm not. Lamar Jackson is going to outperform Patrick Mahomes on Sunday, and they're going to win this game because of what he does on offense.
Okay.
And that is the truth.
He's got a lot of weapons. Mark Andrews questionable with the foot injury, but apparently it's the same situation as last week, and he's expected to play in that one. Hollywood Brown, all of the guys that they have there. How about the other quarterback? Here's one thing that I noticed when looking at this game. Pat Mahomes against the blitz. He's really good. He's averaging 9.1 yards per attempt when being blitzed. A 121 passer rating. That's best in the NFL, which helps explain why he is the least blitzed quarterback in the NFL, just 20% of his dropbacks. On the flip side, Ravens defense, one of the biggest blitzers in the league. Do they have to change their approach this week?
I don't think you change your approach. I think you keep the exact same approach because you've been so good and successful at it. If you watch the Raiders versus the Chiefs, the Raiders were successful early on in that game by getting pressure and not letting Mahomes get comfortable in the pocket.
Right.
Where they broke down is where the Ravens are going to make up for it by eliminating big plays. The explosive plays, those plays that are going for 20-plus yards in the air, which Patrick Mahomes is great at. The Ravens have Earl Thomas on that back end, not only to lead them, but to allow them a chance to win the game and eliminate big plays.
Are you with him? Do you like the Ravens in this one?
I do like the Ravens in this one.